Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to remove people from a photo in Photoshop. Now first thing you should do is to open your photo. Then I want to uncheck this lock icon right here, so I'm gonna double click on the layer, then click on OK right here, and I'm gonna click on the Alt plus the left click button, then drag it down below in order to make a duplicate, just in order we make a lot of mistakes and we want to go back. Now go to the first layer, just tap on it, activate it. And now what you should do is to simply zoom in where you have the people that you want to remove them. And I have here this girl. I can simply click on the quick selection tool up right here, then select it like this, and after selection you can go to select, then go to modify, then go to expand and expand it by 5 pixels or 10 pixels or whatever you need. And after that go to edit, then go to content aware fill and click on apply down below right here, then click on OK. And here as you can see I have removed the girl from the background. And you can also use this option right here, spot healing tool. You can also click on right click if you cannot see it right here. It is exactly in the 8th place right here, so you can simply click on the spot healing tool and go to the photo and try to remove the remnants of the shape. As you can see, it's now disappeared. Now if you do not actually like this method, here you have another method. You can simply go and zoom in like this, then choose the lasso tool, but this method will work by the AI, so if you do not have an Adobe Creative Cloud account you will not be able to do so, or if you do not have any of the currency that you use in order to create some things or do some edits with the AI in your Adobe Creative Cloud account. So I'm gonna select it like this, then click on generative fill, then click on generate. And actually this process is much more easier, it's much more accurate, but as I said, it will consume some of your currency in Adobe Creative Cloud. And here we are, it's totally disappeared and it's actually perfect. And thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new tutorial.